Today we will visit the Ausca Oil and Fat Company. Here is the Ausca Smart Factory. This project located at Hainan Island, the south of China. This is a totally new area and one of a free trade zone in China. The Ausca company contracted with Myande on August of 2020 and started their civil job from September. The whole plant commissioning on July of 2021. Yes, so let's see the layout. Yeah, it is a smart layout. It is you can see the seed silo, meal silo, preparation, extraction, refinery, oil tanks, and also bottling. Let's open the extraction first. The extraction, of course, designed based on NFPA 136, the safety. So let's see another factory, the meal bagging, and also the truck loading system. So it's also the whole automatic system. Let us see the other area. Here is the exhibition hall for their own product, the different oils and also different the oil bottle. Let us to the upper floor to see their intelligent control room. The control room are same with the site control room. We can see all the process and the design and the control point in this control room. So in front of us, again, here is the small model for the layout. This area is for the intelligent control system for the whole plant. You will see all of the key points like the temperature, pressure, flow rate, the electric current are shown in the screen for the operator to control the plant. Yes, okay, let's go out to the office and see the factory. So we will see we will start to see from the oil tanks to the oil bottling and also the meal silo, the meal bagging machines, and also the truck loading machines, and then to refinery, to the preparation and also extraction. So first of all, we will see the oil tanks farmers. Here is their oil tank farmers. Totally have 11 tanks, including the crude oil tanks, the refinery oil tanks. So let's see another building. Yeah, in front of us, the building is for the bottling, the oil bottling building. Another is the office. Just now we have visited the office, the head office. So in front of us, there's the big silos. Totally, they have three meal silos. Each one is 8,000 to 10,000. The meal silo is specially designed for the storage for the meal. The most advantage is to keep the meal quality stable when storage. Near the meal silo, it is the automatic the meal bagging system, and also the truck loading system, and also they have also container the trucking. So the down floor, this building, you see, the down floor is for the truck loading, and also the up we will see the up floor. The up floor is for the meal bagging system. So now, very lucky, there is one of the meal bagging machine is running. One switch of this bagging machine can reach to 700 bags per day. The weight of the bags can be adjustable based on the custom requirements. Here is the 1660 kg per bag. So after the bag, the meal will by this conveyor to the truck loading area. So okay, let's see the refinery plant. We will see the control room first. This is the control room. Normally they have 2 operators in control room to control the whole plant. We can see all of the process. It is the same with the intelligent control room and also the system. So we were inside the plant to see the machines. The first is the neutralization section. Here is the 4-seat the gear separator. Each capacity is 800 tons per day for the neutralizing and also water degumming. Another section is the bleaching section. Here you can see the filter, the bleaching filter running, and also another 2 filters for standby. And also you see all of the valves, the control valves is the pneumatic control valves. All of the oil discharge and also the filter switch by the automatic control. The tallest machines in the refinery is this one is the dual origin tower. It is the biggest machine in the refinery. So okay, let's see the ground floor. To the ground floor to see other machines. In ground floor there's some pumps, the dosing pumps, the crude oil, refinery oil pumps, and also some vessels. Here is some alkali tanks, the acid tanks, and also the dosing pumps, and also some mixed vessels and pumps heat exchange in the ground floor. Yeah, so this is roughly the refinery plant. After see the refinery, we were out the refinery building to see another key plant. Behind of me, you will see the city crush plant. This building is preparing and also pre-pressing 3,000 tons per day. And another building is the extraction plant. The extractor, DDGC, evaporation, the condenser, all of the machines are inside of the extraction plant. Okay, let's see the preparation first. Also, we will to their control room, the PLC control room first, to see the preparation and extraction. Preparation and extraction control room is in one same room. Already we see in the smart control room. We can to inside to see the preparation machine first. The first is one cooler. It is for the cake cooling, and another is to the big elevator conveyor for transportation materials. So let's see this machine. It is the screw presser, the Germany HF brand. The presser is the key machine for canola. If the pressure efficiency higher, the oil in the cake will be less. Totally, they have 4-seat presser. Each capacity is 715 in this plant. Yeah. So the next machine is the decanter. Seat after pressure was separated by the oil. The oil was to this decanter. This is the gear decanter. The capacity is 800. Here is a key machines. Is the cracker, many brand cracker, designed for the soybean oiling in this plant. Each seat cracker have 4 rollers and also 2 motors. Each motor is 14.5 kilowatt. Each cracker capacity is 1,500 tons per day for soybean from 4 to 8 pieces. So the next running machine is the screener. The screener now is running for the clean section. The screener for the seed cleaning. So now behind of us is the Myande flag. The ruler adjustable, the bed tension automatic. Also have the side HMI. Each flag feed help with the continuous level sensor. The feeding by the VFG control. Each seed is 500 tons per day, based on thickness 0.3 millimeters. Totally, they have seven flaggers in this plant, 6 running, 1 standby. So let's to the fourth floor. Let's to the fourth floor to see other machines. This floor is the main design for the air duct clean section. You will see there's some post dust collect, and also fans, the rotary valves, and also cyclone. The main purpose is to keep the factory clean and also environment friendly. So you will see there's really no any dust out of the factory, out of the machines. So again, here I have another 2 cracker. This is the design for the first stage dehanning system. 2 crack. So those machines are designed for the soybean kernel recovery system. We will collect the soybean kernel from the husk to avoid any soybean loss from the husk. This is continue via skin to record the production line. And this big size machine, the contains vertical condition to warmly and soft both soybean and also canola, to improve the dehanning rate and also protect the flag ruler by this condition. Let's choose the third floor. The third floor. Here there are 2 machines named aspirator, designed for the soybean dehanning. The husk by this aspirator removed. This is the feed conveyor for the presser, very long conveyor. Another longer conveyor is for the feed for the flaker. Okay, we will see the ground floor. The main machine in the ground floor is for the canola pressed oil field. Know that the seed after presser will get the oil and also the cake, but the oil cannot directly to the decanter. The oil will first to the seating tanks and then to decanter. So in the ground floor you will see a lot of the oil tanks, the pumps, the plate heat exchange, and also this is the 2 key for the seating tanks. 2 seating tanks. So okay, the last 2 key machines in the preparation are horizontal cookers. Today it is very popular in the world to use the horizontal cooker to production the canola, sunflower, corn germ, and also cotton seeds. Because the heat efficiency of the horizontal cooker is much higher. And also another advantage is the power consumption is much lower than the vertical cooker. In the Ausca, this company, there are 2 horizontal cookers. Each one is 1,500 for the canola. You will see now the horizontal cooker is running for the canola. Okay, now we almost finished the visiting for the preparation. We are out of the preparation plant to see the extraction plant. Behind of me is the extraction plant. The cake or soybean flakes will by that conveyor from the preparation plant to the extraction plant. During the safety reasons, we cannot inside of the extraction plant with the mobile. But already I introduced that the extractor, the GDDC, the evaporation, the cooling tower, the condenser, all of the machines are inside of the extraction plant. So this one also we can see the process design in the intelligent control rooms. So this is the Ausca Group, 3000 soybean canola crush and 800 refinery with mere silo and also mere bagging system. Thank you.